Hello beautiful people, Arif Oria here from Oria Driving Academy, and today I will be teaching you how to make a left turn in different situations at the large intersections. Let's do it together. Alright folks, so I will be making a left turn on a large intersection. So about 150 to 200 meters before, we're going to do mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Make sure that you're getting closer to the left, you get into the far left lane. Turn off the signal, and again, mirror, signal, blind spot where the broken line starts from. That's where we get into the lane. Now I will be making a left turn. It's a red light, so I'm coming to a complete stop here. So please make sure that when you're stopping here, your front bumper is aligned with the last white line, and this is where we're going to be waiting. And while you're waiting for the red traffic light, keep yourself busy. Keep on checking your rear view mirror, left, center, right. Keep yourself busy. Always look around, and that's what the examiner is looking for, to make sure that you are observant and you're observing the intersection. So the traffic light is red. Once the traffic light turns green, so I will be moving inside the intersection about the length of one car inside, but I will be twisting myself a little bit towards left and then straightening up. Now it's green light, look left, right, and then I'm going in about the length of one car. I'm twisting my steering wheel a little bit towards the left and then straighten up. Make sure your steering wheel is straight, because just in case if somebody rear ends you, it pushes you forward. So if your steering wheel is turned into left, then if somebody rear ends you, it will push you towards the traffic. So this is where you're going to wait. You will be looking for the oncoming traffic. Make sure there's no cars from the front, and you're checking the pedestrian on the left side as well. So when there's no oncoming traffic, no pedestrian on the left, and that's when you're gonna make your left turn. And when you're turning left, you're going into the first lane closest to you. You go about 20-25 meters, and then once your position recovered, then you change your lane back to the right. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then you change your lane back to the right. So we're going to be going to the far right lane. That's how you make a left turn at a large intersection. Here I will be the second car. So I am the second car here. I'm waiting behind another car. When you're waiting behind another car, please make sure that you're far enough where you can see the tires and a little bit off the ground of the car in front of you. So the traffic light is red, so we're both waiting, me and the car in front of me, we're both waiting here. Once the light turns green, the first car is gonna go to the middle of the intersection. He will wait for his turn when there's no oncoming traffic and no pedestrian on the left side. So the first car will be making the left turn. And once that car is gone, if the traffic light is still green, then I will be going to replace him. So now it's a green traffic light, so the first car is moving into the middle of the intersection, and I will be waiting behind the line. So I'm gonna wait here. He is gone, and I'm gonna go halfway in, wait for oncoming traffic light, no traffic, no pedestrian on the left, and I'm gonna turn left into the first lane closest to me. I go about 20-25 meters, and then when it's safe, I change my lane back to right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm moving back into the right lane, which is my driving lane, and that's where I'm supposed to be. All right, so I'm waiting at the red light here, and the chances are that this traffic light is gonna give me an arrow, advanced green light. So when it gives me the advanced green light, I don't have to wait. So it's my right of way, and I will be turning left, but with caution, because sometimes pedestrians may run when they see the arrow, they think it's a green light. So still be very cautious for the pedestrian on the left side. So I'm waiting here, and while you're waiting, please make sure that you're checking your rear view mirror, left side, center, right. Keep yourself busy, like look all around, be aware of your surroundings, and just while you're waiting for the red traffic light. So now it's about to either turn green or give me the arrow, but most likely it's gonna give me the arrow. Look left, right, and I'm gonna turn left into the first lane closest to me. So you go on this lane about 20-25 meters, and then you change lane back to the far right lane. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then you change your lane to the right. So that's how we go on when there's an arrow for us.